Ducted air conditioning, interesting question, because in ceiling spaces, so if you can install ducted air conditioning, it means you've got a space between your white plasterboard ceiling and whatever is above that. So it might be the roof of the building, or it might be the slab of the unit upstairs. So if there's a cavity there, that's typically body corporate area. So if you're installing the ducted air conditioning stuff in that area, you're actually installing it in a common property zone. It doesn't change the look of that zone because you can't see it, but if the body corporate had to do some work and it had to remove your air conditioning and put it back in, who would pay for the cost of that? So again, usually approved, but with conditions.